Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Since yesterday's video, Bitcoin's price has moved like a roller coaster. Up, down, and back up again. About 12 hours before the FOMC meeting and the announcement of a 25 basis point rate adjustment, price entered the red box area that often attracts volatility sweeps. This move may have provided the momentum to fuel a path toward the 120,000 level and beyond, which historically has aligned with 10 to 20% gains in the weeks that follow. In the past 24 hours, $416.4 million were cleared from the futures market. Of that amount, $228.77 million came from participants betting against price direction. Price peaked at 117,300 before dropping about 1.87% to 114,800, right as the FOMC announcement was made. Since then, it has already climbed back 2.36% and is currently moving around 117,900, aiming next for 118,500, with hopes of retesting the 120,000 region soon. On the hourly chart, wave trend has printed a green signal, VWAP is trending upward, and money flow has shifted positive. The MACD also shows an upside cross, adding confirmation of momentum strength. Looking at the heat maps, the 3-day view shows a clear sweep of the 117,300 zone, leaving room to test the broader cluster stretching toward 120,900. There is also a developing pocket forming below around 114,000, as leveraged longs were opened heavily in the past 12 hours. This sets up a potential support and resistance battle, but for now the path above remains open. Institutional flows continue to provide support. We now have a 7-day streak of ETF inflows. Data from September 16th closed with plus $292.3 million, far stronger than the previous day when incomplete reports showed only plus $83.1 million. September 17th recorded outflows of minus $51.3 million, likely from traders selling the FOMC news. With the bounce higher now, many may re-enter at higher levels today. In broader adoption news, Bitcoin advocates announced the creation of the Treasury Council, designed to promote corporate integration of Bitcoin and even a potential United States strategic reserve. Michael Saylor suggested that soon thousands of firms will hold Bitcoin on their balance sheets. This builds on recent moves, such as Metaplanet adding $2.3 billion in Bitcoin, and could pave the way for legislative efforts like a Bitcoin Act to further drive institutional participation. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter and click the like button if you found value in this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.